Hi, after creating the cloud account, you will be shown this dashboard page. Go up here and create a new project. And name it as Algo VPN. Looks like it's done. So click on the hamburger menu, go to Compute Engine and VM Instances. If you see something like click Enable Compute Engine API, just click that so that this screen will load. VM Instances. The Compute Engine is the cloud service that is used to run cloud instances that are essentially virtual machines. So the next step will be to click Activate Cloud Shell. By the way, I have a free trial. I have 42 days remaining and this much credit. Okay, I'm going to dismiss that and then click Activate Cloud Shell. This will start a temporary VM that we can use to run the Algo scripts. So it gives you a terminal and it is connecting to that virtual machine right now. Now let's move to the Algo website. The link will be in the description. It's basically trailofbits/algo in GitHub. Let's scroll down to the README file over here, and it says Algo VPN is a set of Ansible scripts. Ansible is used for automation, and there's a list of features and anti-features. You can go through them. And then we come to the deployment steps. The easiest way to get an Algo server running is to run it from your local system or from Google Cloud Shell and let it. Actually, Google Cloud Shell is easier than the local system, because in the local system you need to set up a virtual machine and then run it in Linux if you're running Windows, that is. So here goes the steps. Set up an account on a cloud hosting provider that we have done for Google Cloud, and these are the supported ones, by the way. And then get a copy of Algo. So for that, I am going to go to the Cloud Shell and I'm going to give this command: git clone git repository. Going back to the Cloud Shell. Actually, you can just press Ctrl V, paste. There, it's cloning, it's done. And now you get a folder called Algo. So enter that folder, cd algo, and all these files are there. Fine. Next step, install Algo's core dependencies. So it needs Python to run, so I'm going to run install. It's Linux actually. So to check the OS, what you get on the Cloud Shell, give this command cat/etc/os release. It's Debian Buster. Okay, so for Ubuntu and Debian, this is the command. I'm going to hit copy and then paste. There we go. And there's another set of dependencies to install. Yeah, Algo's remaining dependencies. So for that, I'm going to copy this command and paste. Fine, so that's done. Now set your configuration options. So we'll open the configuration file. This is the configuration file of Algo, and the main thing that we need to do is edit the users. So nano config.cfg. Let me pull this thing up. Okay, here we go. These are the users, and you need all the users over here. Either you can give the user list right now or create the server and then fill this up. It's your choice. Now my name is Melvin, so I'm going to give it as Melvin phone, and you need a user for each device. So on the phone, on the laptop, and on the desktop. If you want to set up another user, you can give it over here, like for example My wife's name is Merin and she just has a phone. So Merin phone. Control X. Save modified buffer. Yes. Yes. So that's edited. Okay, this is during deployment. So that's it. Start the deployment. Run Algo and follow the instructions. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we have one task that has failed. This is Ansible task, by the way. So I'm going to copy this and search the internet and see what the solution is for this.